Hello student, welcome back in Krishna classes. Today's topic is isobar and isotopes. This topic has related to the chapter 2 of the class 11th. You know very well the name of the chapter is structure of the atom. What is the name of the chapter? Structure of atom. This is the name of the chapter. Structure of atom. I covered all its previous topic of chapter 2. So for detailed knowledge you have to watch my full videos which are available on my channel Krishna classes. Chapter 1 all topics also covered on my channel. So for the chapter 1 you have also watched all videos which is available on my channel Krishna classes. For detail first you have to subscribe my channel Krishna classes. Let's start the today's topic. Press the like button and let's start. What is the today's topic? Isobars and isotopes. What is the isobars? Isobars are the atoms with same mass number. Isobars are the atoms with same mass number but different atomic number. What is the mass number and what is the atomic number? I also described in my previous video. Atomic number is the number of proton and atomic mass or mass number is the number of proton plus neutron. And for the neutralization process you know very well all atoms are neutral. That's why number of proton is equal to number of electron is equal to atomic number. I also described in very detail in my previous video. So isobars are the atoms with same mass number but different atomic number. It means atomic number is different, mass number is same. Example, carbon 6 carbon 14. You know that in below any carbon or any atom, suppose any atom XYZ, any atom, in below the atom the number is written, that is the atomic number, and above the atom the number is written, that is the mass number. So here 6 carbon 14, it means 6 is the atomic number, here 7 is the atomic number, and 14 and 14 is the mass number. Okay, so 6 carbon 14 and 7 nitrogen 14, 6 carbon 14 and 7 nitrogen 14. In both cases 14 means mass number is same, here also 14, here also 14. So this is the isobar. This is the isobars atom. It means 6 carbon 14 and 7 nitrogen 14 both are the isobars. 6 carbon 14 and 7 nitrogen 14. These are the isobars because here mass number is same, mass number is identical. So this is the isobar. And what is the isotopes? Isotopes are the atoms with same atomic number. It means in isotopes atomic number is same, atomic number is same but different atomic mass. It means atomic mass is different. Okay, I repeat again, in isotopes what is same? Atomic number is same, atomic mass is different. How it occurs? It occurs due to the presence of different number of neutrons. You know very well atomic number is same, like here you can see in hydrogen 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. Here number of proton means atomic number is same, 1 1 1, but mass number 1 2 3. How they are differ? Due to the presence of extra neutron they are differ. So 1H1 protium, 1H2 deuterium, 1H3 tritium, 1H1 protium, deuterium and tritium. These are the isotopes of hydrogen. And here 6 carbon 12, 6 carbon 13 and 6 carbon 14. These are the isotopes of carbon. And 17 chlorine 35, 17 chlorine 37. These are the isotopes of chlorine. So this is the isotopes. What is the isotope? I repeat again, there is same atomic number but different atomic mass due to the differ in neutrons number, like protium 1H1, deuterium 1H2, tritium 1s3. These are the isotopes of hydrogen. And 6 carbon 12, 6 carbon 13, 6 carbon 14. These are the isotopes of carbon. 17 chlorine 35, 17 chlorine 37. These are the isotopes of chlorine. You know, in below of the atom atomic number is written, and above of the atom atomic mass or mass number is written. So this is the isobars and isotope. Hope you understand this topic very easily and very well. Now come on next point. One problem has also given in today's class. Calculate the, what is the problem? Calculate the number of protons. What calculation? Protons, neutrons and electrons in this atom. What is the atom? 35 Br80. This is the atom given, 35 Br80. And first you have to calculate proton. You know very well, proton is equal to number of electron is equal to number of atomic number. It means atomic number is written here. So atomic number represented by Z. I also described very detail in my previous video. Atomic number is equal to represented by Z. Here 35 is equal to number of proton and number of electron. So how many protons present? 35. How many electrons present? 35. And now calculate the neutrons. You know very well, here atomic mass has given. So atomic mass or mass number is equal to 80 and number of proton is equal to 35. So 80 minus 35 given out 45. 45 is the number of neutron. You know that neutron and proton both are present in the nucleus of atom. So here when proton is 35, then neutron is minus number of mass atom or mass number. So in here mass number is 80 and 80 minus 35 what comes? 45. So mass number is 80 and subtract 35 from 80 and given out 45. So this is the number of neutron. So this is the today's class. I repeat again, what is the today's class? First, isobar. Isobars are that atom with a same mass number but different atomic number. Example, 6 carbon 14 and 7 nitrogen 14. Here mass number means 14 is equal. And isotopes in which atoms where atomic number is same but different is mass number. Example, protium, deuterium and tritium. 6 carbon 12, 6 carbon 13, 6 carbon 14, 17 chlorine 35, 17 chlorine 37. And one problem has given in your class. Calculate the number of protons, neutrons and electrons in 35 Br80. 80 is the mass number and 35 is the atomic number. You know atomic number Z is equal to 35 is equal to number of proton is equal to number of electrons. Mass number is equal to 80 minus 35 means 45 neutrons. Proton and electron are same as atomic number, that's why they are 35 and neutron is minus proton into the mass number. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand these topics very well and very easily. Such type of classes and videos you have to subscribe first my channel Krishna Classes. Please press the like button, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes. Thank you so much.